Daniel from Drive. We are here at the Malibu Autobhan Formula K event. I got my brother Derek Whitney, one of the other founders of Drive right here. Got Steven from Cars and Jets official right here. It's a good turnout right now. A lot of people are pouring in. We're still doing the setup. So we're going to be doing a basically a Go Kart Grand Prix race today. So it's going to be pretty crazy because everyone's car guys. Everyone, you know, races and loves cars. So we're going to see how, you know, how it goes down with, you know, 20, 30 horsepower behind us and all cars being. Check out our setup right here. We brought out the i8 Roadster, brand new for 2019. It is the convertible. We brought the R8 V10. Then we brought the Nissan GTR Premium. The R8 actually will be available to win for whoever wins this race. They get a weekend free with the R8 and a bunch of other crazy prizes. So yeah, let's take a walk and check out. So we're checking out, we're in NB2 Raceway. This is the official event. This is the track. It's huge too. We're doing top 50, top 30, I believe, and then a top 10 or something like that. There's like 3 races.
My dad got a whole collection of them, but she should.
It's a beautiful day, the cars are beautiful, but don't forget, we have races to ride, we have vendors here.
What was the millest? I got spun out. I got spun out, but we both placed in top 3, so.
Hold on, I've seen you like in 2 events now.
Yeah. We're
Here in California.
Hey, what's up, bro?
For the week. See how they came today. Come on. You need a car. For the week, for the month. You need to impress that girl for that hot day. You have to get comfortable.
Working on a full service location for store. Up for James Wellington. By the way, guys, Justin won a $300 gift card.
Is Federico Prestini making noise for Federico, the winner of Malibu Autobhan's Formula K.
This man just won an exotic car rental from our partners at Drive here. Guys, we just want to give these guys a huge shout out. These guys are the best in the biz. If you need a car rental of any sort, hit them up. So this guy is about to get his choice of his fleet for a weekend of his choosing. So guys, give it up to our grand champions, all bragging rights included. Read the plaque. You guys are officially the conquerors of the track.
Yeah, no, for sure.
Oh, thank you, Steven, so much for coming out.
Yeah,
We'll talk soon, guys. We'll talk soon.
Hey, awesome event. Awesome event as always.
Hey, Will. What's up, man? Hey, so you're next, the next event you guys are doing?
What up? So we just left Formula K, the Malibu Autobhan event. Some of the guys, we're going to get something to eat because we're starving. The go-kart racing makes you hungry, man. We haven't ate all morning. Steven hasn't ate either. I haven't ate. Derek hasn't ate. No one's ate. So we're starving, man. So we got a nice little crew, nice little lineup. We're hungry. Oh, Joey's Woodland Hills. So brunch. We're gonna have brunch. We got car guy brunch. We just witnessed some guy create a crime, do a crime, commit a felony now. He just backed into this lady's car because he was looking at the fleet of cars over there.
Broke his neck.